Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this is, my location is in Montego Bay, IRONSHORE. So this is part 2 of the video. Yeah man, this is part 2 of the video. And we all know IRONSHORE, Montego Bay is considered one of the most expensive area in the city, from restaurant, gym and casino. Yeah man, so check out the video. As I said, this is a part 2. If you check the playlist, you will see part 1. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. You don't know Jamaica nice, any spot you know watch from, big up on yourself. And I just want to take the time out to thank you all for tuning to the channel, because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So big up on yourself, man. Yeah man, I talk to you. You see I watch a video on a smartphone and a big screen and a tablet. So big up on yourself, and always remember, if you learn something about this beautiful island Jamaica, it's free of cost. You can give the video a big thumbs up. Yeah man, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up, man. What? So them have Neesberry tree in them area, mango tree. So you see, anyone who go to Jamaica, and I go find some farmer tree, fruit tree. So is it Jamaica sweet? Is it Jamaica beautiful? Enjoy the tour. Big up on yourself. Remember which part me say me there? IRONSHORE. Yeah man, as I said, this is the part 2 of the video. So enjoy it. See a few potholes in the area that you can't escape that from Jamaica. Pothole is a must. So this road will take you back on the main. You don't know. I make a turn. I show you how I go on the same way. Make a turn and go back up in the IRONSHORE. So keep on watching my people. My beautiful people. Keep on watching. What a house on the hill there. What a nice view. Yeah man, see it up there on the hill there. Isn't that beautiful? That's a fire sale, right? A fire sale, a fire sale sign right there. That is Victor Brown. Yeah, man. So you can call. Maybe they have a house or something selling. You can call 876 42 2446 940 3581. Remember, this is in IRONSHORE, so you may be lucky enough. Them can sell a house reasonable around there, a piece of property. So just give the number and call and find out what they must sell. Yeah, man, just do that. On your right, you have the Sterling Avenue. On your left, you have the Melrose Terrace. I'm going to tell you, the place here. Place here beautiful, big. Also, you can get a nice sea view. Yeah, man, you can see all over. Yo, what a place, beautiful, man. What a view, nice and pretty. Yeah man, see my light fire, a lot of fire light in the area. So leave in the comment section guys and tell me what you think.